visible again. So real quick, we are going to cruise on our left-hand panel. Under Sales Channel, we're going to go to the online store. Now this is assuming that we've already got pages for these events made, and we're just making the changes on our homepage. So let's go to Customize. Okay, so in this example, let's say that they've got a barbecue fest, right? But it's on March 16th. So in the summer, you probably don't need this visible after the event, right? Maybe at the beginning of the year, you definitely want this available, and because you do it every year, you don't need to delete and remake it, right? So what we're gonna do is we are gonna cruise over to this left-hand panel homepage, and we're gonna find where our image with text is. And it's this one right here, okay? And so it lists kind of, the title, the description, and the button. And if you hover over the image with text, there's a trash can. Spoiler alert, don't hit the trash can, and an eyeball. And we are going to click the eyeball to make it not visible. So it's still there, right? We can see that it's kind of grayed out, but we can just boop, light it back up, early in the year when we want to have that show. So we are going to hide that now, and we're going to make another block. Okay, so we're going to say, I want this content, I want it right after featured products, right? So you can see this add section. That's what we're going to do. We're going to add it right here, and I'm going to add an image with text. Cool. All right. So it gives us a generic, photo and some generic text. I click on the text, and I'm going to say my heading is going to be Snow Cone Fest. And we are going to change this to come visit us in September all month long. And we're going to say that the button needs to get tickets now. Or you could say click for more information, etc. And that's good. And then I want to just add an image here. So if you're pulling images from your own computer, you're going to go to select image, and it's going to pull up your folders. I'm just going to say, give me a free one. And I'm just going to click to see what we got. Snow Cone Fest. There you go. That's the door to Snow Cone Fest. Okay, so let's just save our work. And again, let's say it's time to hide snow cones and show the barbecue fest. So we're going to go on this left-hand panel down to image with text for the Snow Cone Fest, and we are going to hide this whole area. Great. Now we're going to scroll down. Oh, there's our barbecue. It's time for barbecue. We're going to make that visible. And then again, if you want to change it, if you need to change the date, etc., just go ahead and click on it here, or on the left-hand panel, you can click on the description, and that'll take you to the same place where you can change. Let's add some bullets.